up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a brand new video for you today. It is a Monday morning here in Georgia. It's a little bit chilly, but there's no sunshine and it's overcast, so it's perfect day to film a truck. We are doing a brand spanking new GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate 3500 dually. This truck is getting a 5-inch zone lift kit with the Fox Adventure Series shocks. It's getting some 22-inch KG1 forged gloss black Trident wheels, and it's going to get some 37, 1250, 22 Nittos ridge grapplers. This truck is going to be amazing. I can't wait to get it started. Customer's name is Jim. He drove from Central Florida today, somewhere between here and Tampa. I'm not really sure. He said it took him 8 hours to get here because of traffic. We didn't think about the Thanksgiving holiday being, the last weekend that just passed, so it's kind of, it kind of doubled the time on him on the trip, so I hate that for him. But we're going to hopefully get him out of here the first day, so I got to get this video in the bag and going, so stay tuned. Here's that beautiful truck, 2024 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali Ultimate. King of the road. I love these trucks. They look so big because that back wheel and that back fender. The truck's going to be a little bit wider now, not too much. It's not going to change track width like crazy. A little bit more in the back than the front, but it's going to be a lot taller for sure. It's going to have a lot bigger presentation coming down the road. I should know this color. I know you guys watching probably do. I will look it up. I don't want to say it wrong, but I do love this color a lot on these trucks. I've only seen this color a couple of times. Looks like he's done some blacked out logos on the side, the Denali logos. So it should match the wheels pretty good. Yeah, I'm excited about this one. Stay tuned for the process.
Did it come? They want that way it don't take
So the guys never stop surprising me. They always do. This truck got here at 8 o'clock this morning, and it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and they're waiting on me to film it because it's done. So I'm inside this truck again. I got the color for you. It's the Redwood Metallic. I think is what the color is on this truck. It's one I haven't seen before. I love everything about it. I love the zone lift kit. I love the tires. I love the wheels. I'm about to get out and show you what this truck looks like because my customer's about to get back on the road. So here's our amazing GMC Sierra 3500 Denali Ultimate 2024 model. I can tell because once again, I say this every time, but the grill would be color matched here if it was a 25 or newer. But 2024, they did that Vader chrome around the grill 1 year. This truck looks amazing. The stance of it's great. Really has a big footprint on the ground. We'll start with the wheels. We did the 22-inch KG1 Trident. This is a nice forged aluminum wheel. This is a gloss black powder coat finish. It looks amazing on there. This is an upgradable wheel in the sense that you could add floating caps to it later on if you wanted to, but you don't have to. It comes with that cap right there that looks amazing. Tire we did on this one is the 37 1250/22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. This is the tire that goes in any situation and does great no matter where you put it. You can put it on a Toyota 4Runner, you can put it on a Chevy 3500 dually. This tire is going to perform, it's going to outperform just about everything in its class. I have seen a bunch of this tire though, so it's made by Nitto, who is made by Toyo. And Toyo has a bunch of tires too that I like to sell. Obviously you guys see them in the other videos, but the Open Country line and the Ridge Grappler, or the Grappler line, they're two of the best tires you can get, Toyo and Nitto. So anything from those guys I recommend. The Ridge Grappler is the most common tire that we sell. They have the most sizes available. There's nothing really beneficial about that tire over the rest of them. It's just mainstream. Everybody uses it. There's more inventory on the shelf of this tire than any other tire they have. So if you want something quick, Ridge Grappler is always a good option. The lift kit that we did on this one is the 5-inch zone lift kit. You guys are going to be seeing like 3 or 4 zones in a row. I know that we're going to be doing the videos on them because the installs are scheduled. Reason being is inventory is kind of running out on stuff, but you're not really buying a cheaper part by buying zone. You're just not buying as common of a name. Like everybody knows BDS. Nobody really knows of zone because BDS owns zone. They're a smaller company trademark, I guess you would say, but as far as the quality of the parts, you're buying right out the side door of the BDS plant, so it's not like you're buying a cheaper part. Same company. The shocks that we did on this kit are the Fox Adventure Series shock from Zone, because the Fox brand is actually what owns BDS and Zone. Fox has the 2.0 shock for their BDS line, and then they have their Adventure Series shock for their Zone kits. Not really a whole bunch of difference in the shock itself, but there's some cosmetic things like this that you'll notice that are a little bit different on the Fox 2.0. So I don't think you're really buying a cheaper or like a less quality shock. I think it just looks a little different. Overall, the truck looks great. I wanted to say I appreciate it to my customer one more time before we close the video out. I'm going to throw a quote for this video, or for this build at the end of this video so you guys can see it right after this clip. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're open like 8 to 6 Monday through Friday. So if you have any questions, just call me and check out the price after this clip. Thank you.